Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss Lesson 3 Theories of Employment and Income. So, first we will see the meaning of full employment. Full employment means that the person who are willing to work, able to work, must have employment or a job is termed as full employment. Keynes defined full employment as absence of involuntary unemployment. So, involuntary unemployment means a person willing to work but they do not find a job is termed as involuntary unemployment. One of the major problem that our economy faces is unemployment problem. So what is unemployment? When the people who are willing to work, able to work but cannot find a suitable job is termed as unemployment. So, types of unemployment: cyclic, seasonal, frictional, educated, technical, structural, and disguised unemployment. So, there are 7 types of unemployment. Let us discuss them one by one. Cyclic unemployment. This unemployment exists during the downturn phase of the trade cycle in an economy. So, what is a trade cycle? The economy faces 4 types of trade cycle, namely boom, recession, depression, and recovery. So, during the period of recession and depression, income and output falls, leading to a widespread unemployment. This is caused by the fall in effective demand. So, this unemployment can be cured by public investment or expansionary monetary policy. Seasonal unemployment. This type of unemployment occurs during certain season of the year. Example, in agriculture and agro-based industries like sugar production, the activities are carried only for some season. People may remain unemployed during the off season. So other example of seasonal unemployment are ice cream factory and holiday resort, etc. Frictional unemployment. This unemployment arises due to the imbalance between supply and demand for labor. The person who loses job and searching for another job can be included under frictional unemployment. Educated unemployment. When qualification does not match the job, this type of unemployment occurs. So the causes for educated unemployment are education system, lack of employable skill, mass students turnout, preference for white collar jobs. White collar jobs are cooperative executive, doctors, dentists, stockbrokers, etc. are highly responsible for educated unemployment. Technical unemployment. So, when individual loses their job due to the technological advancement, that is invention and innovation which leads to the adoption of new techniques. Labor saving devices are responsible for technological unemployment. Structural unemployment. Structural unemployment is due to the drastic change in the structure of the society. So, structural unemployment are caused by decline of manufacturing, labor immobility, robot replacing humans, foreign competition, growing imports, unskilled labor force, outsourcing of production abroad. So these are the causes for structural unemployment. Disguised unemployment, which occurs when more people are employed than what it is required. This type of unemployment is found in agriculture. So today we have discussed about the meaning of full employment, what is unemployment and its type. Thank you children.